finally getting a chance to open my Precuts box for September. Yeah, I know it's October. Life has been that crazy. Hey friends, welcome back to my sewing room. My name is Becca, and in today's video, we're going to open up the September 2020 Classic box from Precuts Quilt Shop Craft. Yeah, that's it. Before we dive into the goodies that are in this month's box, let me just ask you, if you're not already subscribed to this channel, would you please consider hitting that subscribe button down below? Subscribing does two things for me. Thing number one, it encourages me to keep going, making videos just like the one you're about to see here. It costs nothing from you, but it means the world to me. And thing number two is it lets you know when I go live every Friday night at 9 p.m. where I work on a project from start to finish, and I would love the opportunity to sew along with you through the interwebs on YouTube. All right, let's dive in and see what we got from Diana, I think that's her name, in this month's box. I need some scissors. Here we go. Are you guys so proud? Normally, I open my packages with a seam ripper or a safety pin or just a straight pin. I very rarely use scissors. Okay, here's the box, and you guys, this thing is packed full. It is bulging at the seams. I can't wait to see what we got. All right, let's do a little sneak peek. I said, let's do a little sneak peek. There we go. This is what the inside of my box looks like. Right on top, there is a pamphlet that tells us a little bit about the box. They do a little giveaway every month, and if you share pictures or videos of your unboxing to social media with the hashtag Precuts Quilt Box or Precuts Quilt Shop, you'll be entered into a giveaway to win your next box for free. And this month, Valmayle, listed right here, V-A-L-M-A-Y-L-E, hope I pronounced that correctly, has won the box for the next month. So congratulations. Ooh, I already took a peek at the pamphlet, and I gotta tell you, I'm loving the stuff that's down inside this box. Let me show you what we got. Right on top of the box is our fabric. We have an entire layer cake of the apricot and ash fabric by Corey Yoder, and if you guys are familiar with my channel, I actually used a charm pack of this a few weeks ago to do a table runner. And I love this fabric. I was considering buying some more of it. I just hadn't gotten around to it. And now I don't need to because I got this layer cake. This is a heck of a haul at a $40 retail value. Ooh, so pretty. This spool of thread is really pretty, you guys. This is a spool of Metler thread. It is silk finish, cotton thread. And it looks like it is 50 weight. So here is the spool right here. It is color number 0608. This spool of thread retails for $3.65. Very pretty. I love this color. We have a Riley Blake notion. This is a package of sew together dots. They are medium size. This is what the packaging looks like here. On the back it says they're glue dots that are a double adhesive application for fabric, trims, embellishment, flowers, and buttons to adhere to any sewing or baby project. There are 24 of these little adhesive dots inside this package, and this sewing notion retails for $3.50. Honestly, don't know if I'll use this. 24 medium 1-inch stickets. Our pattern this month is from Corey Yoder of Coriander Quilts. This is what the pattern looks like. Let's take it out of the bag so we can flip through it. This will make a quilt that'll measure 75 inches by 83 inches, and the value of this pattern actually retails for $9.95. This is what the pattern looks like here. On the back, you can see the measurements of the quilt, and inside you've got a nice booklet with a font that's very easy to read and full color illustrations throughout the entire thing. So this should be pretty easy to put together. Does anybody else save the little plastic bags that patterns come in? No? Just me? Okay. Okay, this is super cute, but I really don't know that I would use them, but I wonder if my mom would. We have a set of 2 tea towels that are Halloween themed. The first one has a pumpkin on it with a bird or crow or something. And the second one is just orange, and it looks like a bunch of words that appear to have like that cross-stitchy type of look to it. These are by Riley Blake. It is called Autumn Love Tea Towels. They are Lori Holt, and it retails for $15.95. I'm not a big tea towel person, so I really don't know if I'll use these, but they're super cute. And then the last thing that we have is a ruler pal. I actually have one of these in an aqua color on my cutting table over there, and I love this. I almost wished I had a bigger one. So this is really cool to have in our arsenal. It is a little ruler pad that you set down, and if I just open it up to show you, you can put your ruler in these little grooves, and it just kind of keeps a couple of your rulers nice and handy and easy to grab. This ruler pad is no joke. It retails for $14.90. The last value item in the box, which has no tangible value, is the shipping. Each box comes with free shipping, but Diana does include the shipping cost as part of the value that you're getting for the box. So the box costs, I think, $55 or $59 each month, and the shipping value was $8.85 to send it priority, flat rate, first class, whatever. I don't know what the term is, but to get it from her place to us, it was $8.85. Overall, the total retail of the box, including that shipping piece, is $96.80. Overall, we're definitely getting our value for our money here, and the items that we're getting are things that I like. I have yet to receive 2 boxes in a row since I joined back on in May, where I'm leaving the month feeling, I don't know if I'd stick around. So, for that reason, we're going to keep it another month. I can't wait to see what Diana has up her sleeve for us in October. That's everything I got for this video. Thank you for diving into the Precuts Classic box for September 2020 with me. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and come on back Friday nights at 9 p.m. Eastern Time, where we work on a sewing project from start to finish together through the magic waves of the interweb. Bye, guys.